Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, back with me DJ Lala. Ito na nga po ang ating biyahe for tonight, biyahe ng isang taong na-fall out of love. Unang dahilan kung bakit may mga taong na-fall out of love ay ang pinakamadalas na dahilan. You guys are fighting all the time. Bihira kayong mag-agree sa reasons ng isa't isa, madalas nyong salungatin ang opinyon ng isa't isa, para bang never kayong nagtugma. Love, this one, aside from being toxic, it's exhausting sa isang relationship. When you say I love you to a person, ideally, you'll take the good with the bad. But more often than not, overwhelming yung bad or you're just not ready sa differences ninyong dalawa to compromise. Kaya nga, it is always advised to know a person well enough first before you commit. Hindi lang dahil sa compatibility but tolerance as well. Kung kaya mo bang i-tolerate o i-endure ang bad traits so you can let the good ones shine. Does the good outweigh the bad? These are the reasons as to why kailangan nating alamin kung sino yung partner natin or alamin kung sino ba yung taong we are getting in a relationship with. All of that can be tested sa long-term spent of knowing someone without expectation of change. Kung aasa ka lang kasi sa linyang isang araw baka naman magbago siya, you might find yourself disappointed in the end. So if you don't want your relationship to end sa scenario na ang isa ay mawawalan na ng gana, learn to compromise and truly understand your partner. Stop defending and start listening. If you can do that, then you won't have to fear one day of losing someone nang dahil lang sa na-fall out of love siya. Okay? Una pa lang yan nabagsak o tinamaan ka na. Ikalawang rason kung bakit may mga taong na-fall out of love ay the other feel unappreciated. Time and time again dito sa programa natin, sinasabi ko sa inyo na little efforts go a long way. Kadalasan kasi it's the tiniest things or details that breaks a couple apart. Parang ganito lang yan eh. What would you feel if yung efforts mo ay hindi nare-recognize? What would you feel if ikaw yung least sa priority niya? What would you feel if sa dami-dami ng sinakripisyo mo sa kanya ni minsan hindi mo maramdamang appreciated ka or credited ka? If your answer is remotely close to feeling awful or bad, then don't do it sa partner mo if hindi ka handang mawala siya sa'yo. Because no one I'm telling you, no one wants to feel neglected. Mahaba man ang pasensya niyan, malakas man ang tolerance niyan to pain, hindi man yan balat sibuyas, I guarantee you if things like this, what I've mentioned, keeps piling up, that person will eventually break. Not because hindi niya na kaya, but because kaya pa, pero gising na siya. Why bother wasting your time to someone who doesn't even see your worth? Gets mo? Kaya again, love, if you don't want to see that day na you have to hear the words, I'm sorry but goodbye, from someone you truly love, then appreciate them and see to it that they know you appreciate them before it's too late. Okay? Awat muna tayo, love, sa biyahe natin ng pagbitaw at mag-concentrate muna tayo to one Byahe Sender na lumapit sa atin to seek advice. This one ay galing sa ating FB page na DJ Lala Banderas. Pangalanan na lang natin siyang Mike at magtabi ka na ng popcorn kasi medyo mahaba-haba to. Ito na nga. Sabi dito, good day DJ Lala. Please hide my identity na lang po. Meron po akong long distance partner at 1 taon na po kami. Sa loob ng 1 taon, 4 na beses po kaming nagkita bago siya bumalik abroad. Ngayon po, ang problema ko kasi, noon pa po ako naghihinala na may ginagawa siyang milagro. Noon po kasi madalas siyang ma-wrong send sa akin ng mga messages. Tapos noong nag-video chat kami, nakita ko sa screen niya, naka-shared screen po kasi kami na may kachat siyang iba at babe ang tawagan nila. Noong kinausap ko siya, ang sabi lang niya ay kachat lang naman yun at nasa abroad naman daw po siya at andito sa Pinas yung kinakausap niya. Inamin niya na po na may mga nagme-message sa kanya, di naman daw po lahat yun sinasagot niya. Sabi pa niya, lahat ng oras ko nasa iyo na, umaga, tanghali, gabi, nag-uusap tayo. Totoo naman po yun. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, very consistent po ang communication namin. Though, nakikita ko naman po yung efforts niya para sa akin, mahal na mahal ko po siya at ramdam ko rin naman pong mahal niya din ako. Hindi ko lang po kasi talaga maiwasan na magduda at magselos sa mga nababasa ko. Oo nga po pala DJ Lala, bago ko makalimutan, bisexual po pala ako at yung partner ko, pareho kaming hindi out. He is way older than me, though alam na ng family ko yung tungkol sa kanya, pero siya hindi pa alam ng family niya yung tungkol sa relasyon namin. Sana po mapayuhan niyo po ako DJ Lala kung ano ang tama at dapat kong gawin. Maraming salamat po and stay safe. Well, hi Mike. Not your true name though. Mike na lang itatawag ko sa'yo. Well, that's kind of hard. Hard siya kasi nakikita kung sobrang mahal mo yung partner mo and that you are willing to do just about anything to keep your relationship with him. But the only question is he willing to do the same thing for you? Alam mo, kahapon na pag-usapan lang dito sa programa yung forms of cheating. And if you missed it, I said cheating is always and will always be a choice. Personal man yan or cyber cheating, it's still cheating. I don't know how open yung agreement ninyo sa relationship na to or how liberated yung mentality ng people involved, but if you don't feel right about it, tas hindi naman niya dinena yung accusations mo, then tell him how you truly feel, but this time around, be ready to make a stand. A person may have chosen to be unfaithful, but it will only continue if i-allow ng other party. If you'll continue to allow him with his twisted reasons, then ganyan lang din ang mararamdaman mo over and over again. Sa ganyang phase, I guarantee you, aabot kayo sa puntong most of the time na igugugol nyo sa isa't isa will be dominantly consumed by fighting one another or disagreement. So love, tell him this. If you wish to continue sa relationship na to, I am all for it. I am all out, but I don't share. I could, but I won't. It's either kuhanin niya lahat ng pangangailangan niya from you or sa'yo and you alone, or he doesn't get any from you at all. Again, this one requires bravery from you. You have to stand by what you know is just and right. No excuse can ever justify cheating, not even being in a long-distance type of relationship. Kasi you have to understand, my love, when you enter a relationship with someone, you commit to that person and that person alone. Kung hindi siya handa doon, ibig sabihin yung perception and vision nyo of what a romantic relationship should be ay hindi tugma. It's either you risk it and accept that there will be someone else or you get out of that relationship. Gets mo? Tandaan mo, a person can only disrespect you if you allow them to. Okay? I hope that helps or at least man lang shed some light sa issue mo with your partner and I'm hoping you'll make the right decision. Sa mga kabisyo natin katulad ni Mike, ang ating Byahe Sender of the night, if you want a piece of advice from me, then all you have to do is be my Byahe Sender. Send your problems over at my Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas, or text me through 0917-851-4329. At love, mukhang wala na naman tayong oras. Andito na tayo sa hangganan ng ating biyahe tonight. But before I go, I'll give you the last reason as to why may mga taong nafo-fall out of love. And that is, the other has fallen to someone else. Pag ganito na ang sitwasyon, you should know, my love, na ito na ang end game. Hindi ka na dapat tumaban pa. If you truly love yourself, you'll respect yourself enough not to stay in a relationship na ikaw na lang mag-isa ang nagmamahal. Free yourself and stop fighting. Save the dignity you have left in you to walk away and never beg them to give you another shot. Ika nga ni Sunshine, never dignify the other party by lowering yourself down to their level. Get out from that relationship gracefully. Kasi you have to learn, my love, na there are battles in this life that was never meant for you to win. This battle is one of them. Okay? Don't worry, my love. You'll be okay. Sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Maraming salamat for sticking with me sa 3 hours ng ating biyahe and sana marami kayong natutunan. If you did, please do post a comment sa aking Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. You can also follow me on my other socials, Instagram, Twitter, Laika, and TikTok. Lahat ng yan, DJ Lala Banderas. Nakasama niyo po, DJ Lala Banderas, and maraming salamat sa pakikinig sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one. SM Radio Station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.